Alrighty folks, we'll have the links when we get done with this project here. We bought these here in the electrical section at Lowe's for 1-inch PVC pipe. It's actually for electrical conduit. And we bought this here, and then what we're going to do, get back little girl, tighten that up. I'll be running the cable through here to keep it down to the ground, but for going across the Caterpillar tunnel, what we'll do, we can run your rope in here. This will be sitting down. That is where you get to hold your plastic down to your PVC pipe. Ow. Alrighty folks, next step is we're going to drive these T-posts, one on each end. This is where we'll secure our plastic end, but first we'll fix a rope across each one of the hoops down there, and we'll attach it to each side. Just come back here and try to get close to the middle of it, and then just drive it in an angle. And then later on we'll come back and put a cap on the end of this so we can see it in case we don't want to get injured. Alrighty, we'll show you the next step here shortly.